2 weeks later.
Yeah, you got some packages.
Thanks, boss.
No problem.
We got some packages today, boys. All right, let's see what they are. Toe strap that I ordered. We got a ride shift boot. We got a shift knob, some interior lighting, and some tire caps. So let's open these up. Here we go. Hey, this John actually looks pretty good. I'm really excited about this shift knob. I'll save that for last. Let's get some interior lighting going. Yeah, there's just like RGB like tabs, a light, and then there's like a controller. This is like what I'm also kind of looking forward to. I forget what brand I actually got. It's gonna be interesting. Oh yeah, I got this Bride Low Max. This actually looks pretty sweet. I know what these tire caps look like already. I mean, they're just some purple little Subaru caps. And finally, what I'm most excited for, this shift knob. Not like the heaviest, but let's see. I think it's like a purple shift knob. Classic 5-speed on the front. Yeah, I'm gonna go take these to Zach's and then we're gonna install them on my car, alright? Yep, camera's rolling, baby. Look at this.
What does it say?
Bride.
Fake?
Of course. You wanna see the shift knob?
You deadass got a shift knob?
Yeah. That shit's kind of fire though, isn't it?
No.
Oh, I honestly don't know how to install it yet.
I do.
Look at this fucking strap. There we go, baby. I think that is actually how you do it. Oh yeah, you are an expert at taking out fucking dashes.
Yeah, bro, come on.
What are those?
Zach proof.
Oh, you missed it. I fucking took off one of the little...
Oh, figured out how?
Kind of just broke it off.
Alright, I'm gonna put it on my story, Zach.
Oh, no shot.
There's a...
Converter? That's fire.
That is fire. I thought we were about to be shit out. Are you fucking kidding me?
You shut up. This looks fucking terrible.
Yeah, just shove that down on there.
You need this shit. Alright, come on, bro.
Oh, I need the little metal fuckers?
Yeah, we need to punch holes in this.
Yeah, I don't know where they're at.
What side do you want?
It's not fucking reversible.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It just said Bride on it. It looks pretty reversible to me right now.
Alright, we'll reverse it back.
We should poke holes in this.
That's what I was thinking.
This is why we need the little metal thing. You know?
Holy shit, it's gonna be impossible to find all these. We have 3 of them in there right now. Damn! Alright, we got an actual wrench now because auto wrench didn't really work out too well.
I meant like one that would I could squeeze.
Alright, I got what we need, but I'm gonna piss off Zach and get a monkey wrench again. Nah, a little YouTube prank right there. Destroyed it a little bit, but what's a good install without us fucking something up? Yeah, we should probably talk more during this install. We got the shift boot installed now. We're gonna put the center console back in. We didn't put this down.
Ush.
All right, boss, we're good.
There we go, boys. All right.
This is a toe strap. It's actually kind of sick.
Front and back.
Back. I got a different bolt now and everything.
Later.
All right, should we install the 4th part, Ben?
Did you already get the other parts?
Yep.
And he's got a scooter. He's gay.
All right, now we're really ricing this thing out. Look at these.
Please no.
Come on. Only one tire cap.
There's 4 in here, Jack.
There's only 4 fucking.
Dude, this is actually like kind of looking sick. Bird shit on my tire.
We got all 4 mods installed.
What are you gonna do, cop, huh?
Oh, yeah, no, not with my power steering.
Oh, your power steering's fucked now.
Yeah. Oh, no bev.
What happened to your power steering?
I don't know, bro. When I turn left, bro, I don't have it. That's it. That's pretty much it.
His shifter knob is backwards, so you gotta shift in reverse.
The next day.
All right, I want everyone to go stop what you're doing and follow Zach.302 on Instagram. It's gonna be right here.
All right, now get back to what we were actually.
Okay, fucking lights.
Yeah, they're supposed to be for the interior, like some like accessory.
What's the name, John?
Probably like a switch on here or something.
Maybe I'm full of shit. Oh. Is that not doing anything?
Not doing jack shit.
Okay, it does have a battery in it at least.
Almost not doing jack shit.
What do you want to say?
What?
Shit.
It did it?
It's unsafe.
Yeah, fuck that shit. Well, we got red lights for the car.
Yeah.
We got a running red light. Maybe it just needs a new battery.
Maybe.
Can't tee though.
I know, it would be so teed.
Some running red lights.
Maybe we can go to the store and go get one of these batteries.
Yeah. Alright, this is Makeshift Will. This is Cuzzo.
This is Cuzzo.
This is
He
Cuzzo.
about to be in some videos coming up. We got some prank videos. We got some food challenges coming up. Make sure y'all tune in.
Facts, yo,
Like,
I'm
comment,
trying.
subscribe, bro.
Tell them about this.
Oh my god.
I thought that was your wallet, bro.
Why would I be handing you my wallet?
Tell them about this.
This is a remote. This is a remote and this is a battery. There's some for y'all. We got some. We got some.
I didn't know this was part of the outro. Well, I just want to let everyone know that I went to Target and
Bought batteries.
I bought batteries.
So if anybody needs Energizer watch battery and a fucking massage chair remote that doesn't work for jack shit.
Alright, boys. Alright, catch you guys on next Sunday. Peace.